Hold mommy's phone. See, hold properly. Okay. Massage. Put up like that. Like that. Don't cover the camera. Make sure you don't drop it on your face, because it's heavy. So, facial massage for the baby.
How many omos?
Omo?
I'm a
2.
baby. I'm a baby, mommy.
Nido.
2 nido and 2 ankle.
I'm a baby. I'm a little baby. I'm tiny.
Yeah.
So I've got you 3 coffees, 3 Nivea, 4 men's Adidas,
Okay.
3 ladies Adidas,
Okay.
2 soaps, 2 soaps.
Okay. Daddy, toothpaste pala for my dad.
Do you have a daddy and mommy?
Yeah, I have mommy and dad.
Colgate.
Yeah, and your sister?
Yeah, she can.
So is this 6-pack? There's a 6-pack of Colgate. So you can split it down.
Yeah.
This 6
Singles better. Guys, today is Friday, still in quarantine. So my daughter Georgie is going to give mommy a facial massage.
Wait, what's that? Your face.
It's dry lips, love.
Virus.
Yeah. Say hello, guys.
Wait, this is a black spot.
Yeah, say hello, guys.
I'm itchy.
Come
my
on.
eye.
Say hello, guys. Welcome back to mommy's channel.
Welcome back to my channel.
Please.
Please put that thumbs up.
Can I check out?
Yeah. Please don't forget
Do side button.
subscribe button. And then, so what are you doing to mommy's face?
On the smash shot.
Massage?
Stop it, bro. Look down.
Huh?
My look is so funny. My real hair was so funny with my Polly Pockets.
Oh, is that how you massage? How about mommy's forehead?
Do you need lotion?
How are your nose?
No.
Do you need lotion, Georgie?
Yeah, thank you.
What lotion you using for mommy? Show me your lotion. Show me. What's the name of the lotion?
Soap.
It's Cetaphil.
Cetaphil.
Okay.
Put a little bit.
Come on. You okay? She's good.
Very good. How about if we use strawberry milk? How about we use strawberry milk? No? Okay. Rub your hands together. Rub, no. Right, like this. No, where? And both sides.
Careful on my eyelashes, huh?
Okay.
Okay.
A little bit squeezy. A little bit mommy in your face. Better. To the front face.
Oh, that's cool.
A big one.
Okay, now massage mommy's face. So Georgie, this is called facial massage.
I like to make a mask.
Ah, it's a mask, face mask.
A little bit so.
Busy. Georgie is so busy. Huh? You give mommy a...
eyes. That you make your mask.
Will be delivered tomorrow, Mummy.
Cool. Oops, I'm going to check also Bodyworks, Bath and Body Works website.
Okay.
Maybe they have a sale.
Let's get this packed tomorrow.
Hey, don't put on my hair.
Sorry, mommy.
Oh no, you can start massage mommy's face.
Okay, that's why.
Too much lotion now on mommy's face.
That's why I need to make a mask.
It's a mask. Ala, naunsa na. Na on mommy's hair, love. How about this side?
I would have been in your
Not on mommy's eyelashes, ha? Because
Oh.
that will be sting.
No, that's why it's in your eyebrows. Massage your eyebrows.
Oh no, you can
for me.
massage mommy's face now. Use your 2 hands.
One. Oops, one-handed right. Now, a mask.
So it's finished?
Now look at you. Have your mask.
Ano to? Face mask. Using Cetaphil with calendula. Ayan. Ayan. Moisturizer at the same time. Thank you, Georgie. Come on, show me.
Ew.
Come on, spread it nicely.
Can I say the word then?
Come on, here. Have a look.
I want to look at it.
Let's look in the mirror.
So today is Friday, guys. Quarantine pa rin kami. Kaya hindi kami lumabas. Bawal lumabas kasi baka masita kami ng government. Maka-fine pa kami. So, bahay lang kami whole week. Right, Daddy? Tapos si Daddy naka-leave.
Do you like my mustache?
Wow, look.
Alright, that's it for now. No, I need to wash my face.
Look my mustache.
Show me your mustache.
A little bit.
You're a silly Lily.
Beautiful. Blah, 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 blah.
Say bye, guys. Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching. Bye.
Come back.
Give flying kiss. Don't eat.
Blah,
Don't eat it.
blah,
It's just
blah.
harmful.
Does it taste nice? I don't think so.
You massage your face? Make sure you don't put that in your eyes. I'll say bye. Have a lovely weekend.
Bye. Have a weekend. Mommy, I'm fading my eye.
Okay,
Rub
bye.
your eyes. Don't rub your
When I wake up, I feel cozy, yeah. Can you hold up? Don't need no coffee yet. Got no makeup. How do you look so fine? Bust up, bust up. How did I make you mine? Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah. Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah. Don't you love won't take